Lagi nakapalo sila, pero wala nang
nakapalo sila na yun.
Aware sila. Pero ayaw nila mag-craft kami ng life.
Diba, don't dress like ganyan. Yeah.
Sila RJ, di ba mag-apit?
Pero malapit siya.
February next year.
Tatasan mo yung hair, ma'am. Padilip ako.
China yung country siguro. Japan.
Wrong.
Do you have bees?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you love bees? Do you love bees?
Your government will not kill gays.
I'm not kidding, but they contract jobs in institutions.
Tsaka na, no work. La la la.